right, boys and girls, I got my purse. I looked everywhere for some money. It's so scarce, but I found a little bit, so we can go shopping. Thank you for joining me here in video 2, so you can watch how to complete your Google Slides and make choices on goods. My girl down here, she bought all the goods at the store. Today, you can't buy them all. We have to make choices. Let's go look at your slides and show me what choices you're going to make today. Here we are. Remember these foods? We saw them on those pages that we studied scarcity together. It says photographs of 3 different types of foods. What do you see? Remember the chicken fried rice, the crunchy tacos, and spaghetti and meatballs. We can't buy them all. We don't have enough money. It's scarce. We have to make a decision. Our instructions at the bottom say, which would you choose to eat? Mark an X on your choice. You've got to make a decision. You can't have them all. What do you choose? I've got my tablet to show you exactly how you will show me your choice. You've already found the slide with my videos. And you see down here the same question I just read to you. I want to mark my X, but before I can mark on the slide, we have to click the pen. On the top, click your pen, and then arrow over to the slide with our first choice to make. I can zoom in and look at those foods, mark an X on my choice. Am I going for the Panda Express rice, the crunchy Taco Bell tacos, or the Olive Garden spaghetti? I choose tacos. I've marked my X, and I'm ready to move on to the next slide. Here it says, write why you chose it. What did I choose? Tacos. So the first blank I'm going to write, I chose blank. What did I choose? Tacos. I don't want to write with yellow because my teacher might not be able to read that. And that's way too fat of a line. So let's erase. Let me get a little skinnier and black. I choose tacos because you have to explain to me, why did you choose that? Why did you choose spaghetti? Why did you choose tacos? Or why did you choose the chicken fried rice? After you tell me what, tell me why you chose it. Use your finger and write your explanation. Don't forget your period on the end. After you've chosen your food, you explain to me what you chose. You still have one more decision to make. Our last one was about dinner, not breakfast, not lunch. We're choosing for what meal? The dinner. Nice. And here, no X. We want a circle on the food that you choose. You have to decide $2 for tomatoes, $7 for fish, or $4 for the cheese. I'm going to arrow to that last slide. Zoom in. And then think. Which food do you think would be a good choice for dinner? Keep in mind, it's dinner. Circle what you choose for dinner. Can you have them all? No. Pick one food that you choose for dinner. Circle it with a color that your teacher can see. And then you're done. Check that you have completed slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. If you have given me your 2 choices and you explained one of your choices, you're ready to click that little word that says save. Be patient for it to load all of your choices you made for me today. Then X. You can see it's edited here, and turn in. Turn in. Take your time. Make good choices. You can't have them all because money is scarce. I'll see you tomorrow. You better not be scarce. Adios.